Hi guys, what's up? I need to explain where my head is at, okay? This morning, I woke up and I was like, obviously checking my analytics on my YouTube channel. And then I was like, I'm gonna watch some of my old videos. I got into a rabbit hole of watching my old videos and I was like, wow, I was way more funny. And I've basically just been holding back in my most recent videos, and not just because I'm adjusting to filming again. That aspect of being who you are translates to everything, but especially fashion. What I'm trying to say is fashion, like I have struggled with this throughout my entire life, okay, not life, but like the recent decade of my life where I've been old enough to dress myself and be like, yo, this shit's cute. It's what is my aesthetic? Who am I? Why am I not translating my vision into my outfit? She looks so much better. What the fuck? That's basically what I'm talking about. And I'm here to tell you, okay, that we have all been there, but there's no point, because you shouldn't be trying to classify your entire being and put it into one style of clothes and try and stay there. We're always transcending in every single way, and our clothes and our fashion sense and our style is doing the same thing. If you're wearing an outfit and you're in the house and you're like, damn, I look fire, and then you go onto the street and you see some other bitch and you're like, fuck, she looks fire. Don't be like, wow, my outfit sucks. You know, it can be kind of overwhelming if you're actually really interested in fashion and in clothes, when you think you have your aesthetic down and then you are kind of like, oh, but if I'm like classifying myself as this 2000s bitch, and then you see a sporty look that's like completely not 2000s vibes, it's okay to like it and want to wear it. Like, I'm telling you that because I know personally, me and my friends have this conversation all the time. It's like very stressful to figure out and categorize yourself into one, I'm only this, when that's obviously not true. And I know this can sound so stupid to so many people that don't give a fuck about fashion. Like, I get it. Thrifting really changed my entire outlook on my own personal style, and it really allowed me to experiment and find clothing pieces that I resonated with. And then before I knew it, I'm out walking about and everyone's like, oh my god, Amanda, like, do you like the 2000s or something? And I'm like, I guess I do. What I'm saying is, don't stress out about the fact that you don't have one consistent aesthetic. Like an example, Kelsey Simone has a very chic, elegant, like almost romantic, clean white that makes me be like, what the fuck am I doing? You can't do that because it's who she is, it's what she loves. And just because you see something else doesn't mean like what you're doing is wrong. What do you actually like about it? Do you like the fact that they layered? Did you like the fact that they color coordinated? Get just the things that you actually genuinely like, because it's not usually the entire outfit or the entire aesthetic that they're like, you know, achieving. And then when you take those pieces bit by bit, you'll form your own aesthetic. Basically, the way that I found this the easiest was by thrifting, because you're obviously not paying a lot of money for the clothes that you're getting, and there's such a big variety. I just want to like put you guys at ease in a sense. You don't watch one outfit video or see one person's outfit and be like, that's exactly what I am. Being someone who literally studies fashion, like is pursuing career in fashion, like I get it, I get you. Don't stress out because that doesn't do anything, and fashion's supposed to be fun. It's expressive. So obviously it's not just one thing. A prime example is a fucking, like, why didn't I mention this before, is a meme of like a girl in all pink and then a girl in like a all black gothic outfit, and she's like, my aesthetics like fighting, and I'm like, what? Who cares? It's not actually that you're this like grunge and then like pretty like whatever girl. It's just aspects from both that you like, and eventually when you stop being like, which one am I, and you just experiment with both, you'll find aspects of both that you like, and it will form your own aesthetic. You just have to take a step back and be like, okay, what do I actually like from each of these different like kinds of outfits? This will just make when you're buying clothes so much easier, because you'll be like, wow, I actually like that. And a lot of people that I know just buy everything. It's kind of important to know like what you actually want to wear and like what makes you feel good, because obviously when you buy a shirt and you're like, this looks like shit, this is not who I am, you're not gonna wear it. Taking that step back and be like, okay, why do I like this? Why am I gonna buy it? How many outfits can I wear it with? And that's basically what I do whenever I buy clothes, so I don't have any clothes that I don't wear. I hope that made some kind of sense to some of you that have the same interest to the same extent in fashion that I have. I mostly just wanted to talk to you guys because I love that I'm filming again. I hope it helped you out a little bit, just like got you kind of thinking about your past purchases, how you're gonna buy clothes differently in the future, / got rid of all of your stress because it does not need to happen. With all that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye. I don't know how to end my videos, so I just do this every time, but bye. Bye guys.